Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to see how we can enable animation in our Windows operating system. This is Windows 11. Kindly check if your Windows 11 is having all the latest updates. To enable animation, go to Start menu, click on Settings. Here you will find the accessibility. Click on it. Look for this visual effect. Click on this one and you should see animation effects here. If this is off, just toggle it on. And now the animation effects have been applied to your Windows operating system. So this was also a very simple video. See you guys in next video. Thank you so much.